Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox Gamdias HEBE E2. HEBE E2 RGB gaming headset with 40mm driver unit, fold and omnidirectional microphone and oversized air cup design. The enclosed air cup design blocks out of any and all background noise so you only hear what you need to win. HEBE E2 RGB gaming headsets offers you an astounding and exceptional audio delivery for all your gaming sessions. Powerful 40mm HD driver. Enhanced 40mm speakers deliver precise audio for a crystal clear gaming experience. Feel the sound with bass impact. Bass impact converts low frequency bass tones into pulses around arpets, letting you feel gaming vibes. Fold and omnidirectional microphone. The omnidirectional microphone with noise cancelling function can be adjusted to your preference. Optimizer Pets guarantees hours of comfort and isolates external noises. Compatible with PS4. Easy to connect with your friends and teammates during gameplay via 3.5mm connector. RGB visual illumination. The HEBE E2 RGB comes equipped with latest features and tech. True RGB engineered to provide stunning illumination, lighting and vibration effects.